Oh, I'm so nervous.
It'll be fine.
Sweating.
No, you are not.
Yes.
It does get
This
intense.
is not
Dave
fair.
and Jimmy, a salute to the Grammys with handbells. You know the Grammys. You know the Grammys. Everybody knows the Grammys.
Hello, everybody, at the Grammys.
That's not just an award show. You see, the Grammys are a way of life.
You know how much I love listening to your music.
Ready to play some funky music, white boy?
And he's up for a Grammy.
Rock and roll music.
Everybody likes
Okay, we
music.
get the idea. All right. But instead of saluting the Grammys with little sound bites and sound clips, we're going to perform a live...
Handbell choir. So
By the way, handbell choir is the forgotten art.
it is forgotten. We brought it back during Christmas, and we thought we should give a Grammy preview. Boss is like, you guys got to do a Grammy preview. Like, you're right. So we want to do it instead of playing the artist you're going to hear Sunday. We thought we'll just do it with our handbells. So everybody, let me hear handbells. All right.
Wait, one more time so I can get full stereo. Do it again. Oh, the magic of
Now
radio.
listen, I tried to write this out as best I could. Am I supposed to be just in one ear? I feel like it now.
Moved you out a bit, but
Okay.
you're fine.
So when it's your turn to hit your bell, you got to hold it up by the mic and really swing it, all right? So I think we should do Lizzo first.
This is Truth
Truth Hurts. It's our take on it.
Okay. Now, it's not going to move at the speed and the pace of Truth Hurts.
Handbell choirs, Dave, are a little different than your typical recordings that you hear on
All right,
the
your
radio. Top 40.
microphones are set. Let the magic begin.
All right, are we ready? Why a man great till they got to be great. Ready? And who's first?
Me. Ready?
Let's do it, yep. Oh my God!
That was
Are you
so
kidding me?
absolutely outstanding.
We are pros at this.
I mean, I never caught Lizzo in there at all.
Oh,
It
yeah.
sounded like I was coming out of a supermarket and I had to give money in a red bucket, but it sounded fantastic.
We are pros, aren't we?
That was great.
Yeah.
Look at Aaron, you're so uptight.
I'm so proud because that was basically a solo.
That was
for
you,
mine.
man.
And
Are you all
I
sweaty?
didn't mess up. I'm super sweaty. My heart's pounding out of my chest.
You guys, I can't
Okay,
believe it.
what's our? Do we have another song?
Yeah, well, because they're going to do this one on Sunday as well. They're going to do Old Town Road.
Oh yeah.
So I thought we would do Old Town Road.
Hold on,
What?
let me move.
Aaron
Old
saying
Town
it was
Road.
basically a solo.
I know. That was all you, Aaron.
The Dave and Jimmy Handbell Orchestra now bring you a salute to Little Nas X.
All right, are we ready, handbellers?
Okay,
All right,
okay.
loud. Here we go, McKinley. No.
You got it. One.
Gonna take, and then whoever has a third. Who has a third note?
I do.
Well, that
No,
did not
he
sound
has
right.
the third.
Yeah, he has three.
All right, well, something didn't sound right. Do it again. That didn't sound quite right, but it was close.
The first line was good.
You want to try it one more time?
Yeah, one
Let's
more
do it
time.
again.
Because if we do it 3 times like Beetlejuice, Billy Ray Cyrus shows up.
Oh, that's what you don't want. All right, here we go. Try it one more time.
Okay.
All right, it's close.
Heck yeah.
I gotta be honest. I think when I did the Old Town Road one, that the notes didn't quite work. But I thought we'll never get that far because we'll be stuck on Lizzo for a half hour.
Oh, no way.
Nailed it.
Man,
No
you guys, I
way.
should have done another. That's amazing.
Hey, Grammys, you're welcome.
Suck it, Grammys.
This is Dave and Jimmy.